Hello, today I'm going to show you how to download Python on a Chromebook. So the first step is to install Linux. So to do that, you have to go to Settings, then you see Linux Beta right here. You're going to tap that, turn on, and next, install, and then you have to wait a bit. And this is a 4-step process. So you won't have to do that much. You don't have to download anything. Super easy. Probably do it in 30 seconds. And while this is down, nope, it's by the way, if you see anything like starting the virtual machine when it's right there, just if that keeps happening and it gets stuck or something, you can either restart your computer or give up. So the first thing you're gonna type in is sudo apt-get update. And this is just going to update the apt thing. And then you're going to type sudo apt-get install idle3. Sudo apt-get install. And you can't just copy and paste into the Linux. Oh, by the way, you have to do an uppercase Y. You can't just copy and paste into Linux, because when you try and do that, it'll just do I'll show you afterwards. Like this. See? Control+V. Control+V just does that. Okay, and then the last thing, and before you can, so this will now work. But if you want to be able to install libraries, you have to write sudo apt install python 3 pip. And you have to type Y. And this will let you install libraries. Takes a bit of time. And then after that, if you want to install a library, let's say you want to install Pygame, you would do sudo pip3 install Pygame. You click enter. Some libraries are quick, some aren't. Some libraries are already installed. Let's say and some compilers that are online, like Thonny, is actually just pip3 install Thonny. That would be, but then every time you want to use Thonny, you would have to go into the Linux terminal and type Thonny. So you see, it's very quick, but this is still going to take a while. So yeah, if in the beginning it keeps loading a virtual machine, that's a no-go. It's just not gonna do much. If it gets stuck anytime when it's doing this, let's say if it just gets stuck or something, just wait, it'll probably get out, except for the virtual machine. And you can also run Python 3 inside of this just by typing Python 3 into it. You can run files in there, Python 3 and then the file name. By the way, this will open a little penguin thing. To use the idle, you have to press on the penguin thing. Okay, and this should be almost done. I have 22 more seconds, so after that, I will just type pip3 install. I'm gonna just choose Pygame.